Hello everybody. Hello everybody. My name is Raduz-H from Slovakia and I wanna show you how to be financially literate thanks to Excel. This is my own economic Excel program EEP made first time in the year 2013. Yeah, 2013. I wanna show you how to save money during your life through the EEP and how to get to the best experience. The first chapter is list is planning. Planning is very important chapter in your life. If you want to be in to know of expenditures, or you have to make plan. By the way, a new review of expenditures, your home expenditures, and expenditures of or criminal trial or education process doesn't matter. Yes, it's on you. Everything is only on you. This program is embracing planning total budget, household firm. Yeah. I will show you total budget. This total budget, in the next video I will show you in a old age pension in Slovak Republic. Everything about it. And then you can see also the household. You will put there your numbers of your life, financial life. Then you will see how financially literate are you. You are, sorry, you are. Yeah, and firm. The planning. Just a moment. Yeah, the planning. The planning is for me very important because I can make a plan for everything. I need to know what to do. Yes, this is very important. Here is day, start and end. Time, start and end. Company, or it can be also your main name. Phone, email, object, budget, summary. If I start in 2021, then and this doesn't matter. Company name Raduz-H, or can be also, I don't know, on your sorry, Raduz. Phone number can be also email, object. It doesn't matter which kind of object. Budget, you can put what you want. If the process is finished, I will put green line. Yeah, that's great. If I will start another one this year, then company name, I don't know, Buba, Huba, phone number, email, blah blah blah. Then I can see that this is still in the process, or I get a problem. Then I can press a red line, and I will continue what I need to know, and that's great. Then I can press total budget, and here I will put my numbers. Money, yeah, money, let's define. Okay, and then it will be in another video, because you can change also your currency. Yes, currency, change everything, or here GBP, or I can change here. Now I'm in Slovakia, euro. Yes, everything is changed itself. And then after that I will put all the information here and I will see the graph. What I wanted to say that if someone is telling that I am liar and this is not my program, or I can't speak in English, the person is a liar, plagiarist, or amateur. Yeah, because I can do everything. I really don't have problem. I can do everything. And no, this is no problem for me, and I believe that also it's not problem for you. You can download the software, the program on my YouTube video. There will be also the link of the EEP, and you can try it yourself and you will see. Yeah? It's very easy. Nothing so crazy, nothing so hard. Yeah, very easy. If you will use it, remember that you must use the macro. Important. Yeah. This simple electronic program is created by a graphic designer and programmer Raduz-H from Slovakia. It's me. Important. Some active content has been disabled. Yes, therefore you must enable this content. This is the macro. Rise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Swami Vivekananda. Oh, it's a little bit difficult. Okay. See you later, and try to watch my another videos also about graphic, because I also do graphics in the moment. Where is it? Yeah, I'm using I'm using also Blender for graphic. You can see there are many videos, and I will be glad for that. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a nice night. Het is goed gedaan en ik moet gaan naar Toye. Ja?